This doesn't work, will you call 911? Just tell them Jack's done it again. Here we go.
At the heart of our festival are the world's best street performers. So this year we have an absolutely rocking lineup. We have the Space Cowboy. So he has 55 Guinness World Records. This guy swallows multiple swords at the same time. He juggles chainsaws while unicycling and also while blindfolded, as you do. We've world-class magicians, world-class musicians, and we even have a guy who fits his whole body into a really, really big balloon. So we really have any and every type of street performer.
People can come down to the festival, have an amazing day out, see international street performers. I mean, guys who are top of their game globally, don't have to pay to attend. The only thing we ask is that people really support our performers when they have the crowd at the end of their particular performances. So it's an amazing civic event for the people of Dublin and Cork and obviously the surrounding counties, and tourism as well. We get a lot of tourists to the event. So I suppose from myself and Shell's perspective, it's super to be involved in an event where you come down on site and all you see are smiling faces and people having an amazing time.
Well, I started as a magician from I was like 8 or 9. I was fascinated by magic, and then I saw a guy performing sword swallowing at a festival. I went down to the library and I got out a book called Memoirs of a Sword Swallower by a guy called Daniel Mannix. So I taught myself at home, which was probably the stupidest thing. And I did it when my parents were out. So whenever you sword swallow, it's like if you injure yourself, the possibilities of using the phone, it's just not an option. You'd be like, oh. So it was a really stupid thing to do. The best thing about the festival is the quality of the acts. They really do look all over the world to find the best variety acts. I mean, over the years, the things I've seen a guy who could juggle on a keyboard. He would have a keyboard on the ground and bouncing balls on it. We've got other guys who put themselves through a tennis racket while juggling fire. We've got whip cracker. It's all, over the years, just the very best of variety. So when you bring your family down to the Laya Healthcare City Spectacular, the one thing you're guaranteed is they're going to see something that they won't see anywhere else in the world.